wise man once said, "Collect moments, not things." Here I am to collect mine. No matter how old I get or what I'm going through, whenever I travel, I feel refreshed. It's like a breath of fresh air to take a walk, not knowing what's coming next. This is the city of Tallinn. A charming town in Estonia that I didn't even know existed until I came here. I wasn't expecting this charm, the romance, or the vibrance, and that made everything even more perfect. From the moment I stepped into this amazing old town, it took me centuries back to the medieval era. In the city of Tallinn, the old town is the oldest part of the country, with its winding cobbled lanes and ancient squares. It is one of the most well-preserved medieval cities in Europe. Most of the old town's structures were built during the 13th to 16th centuries, showcasing the amazing city planning of that time. Even though we are now fortunate enough to enjoy this moment, we must remember that Europe was once a battlefield during the World Wars. It was a time filled with blood, darkness, sacrifices, and sorrow. A dark era that is hard for us even to imagine. In the 20th century, many structures from the 13th century were destroyed. But with the time and effort, they have been beautifully reconstructed. Today, Tallinn stands as a peaceful and vibrant nation, showing how resilience and renewal can bring back the beauty of the past. Even though it's crowded in Tallinn, it's not overly crowded. I really enjoy mindful walks here and there. I also fell in love with the evenings in Tallinn. A cup of coffee, a beautiful view, calming music in one of the oldest cafes in Europe. What else could make a moment more perfect? And the best thing about the city is its people. Even now, they try to keep their traditions alive and thrive. They may be the reason the city stood strong throughout the ages.